The word for brother in Spanish is hermano. It's a versatile word that can be used to refer to a male sibling or a brotherly figure in a broader sense. Hermano is a commonly used term in Spanish-speaking countries, and it's often used as a term of endearment or to express closeness between family members or friends. For example, my brother is older than me, can be translated as, mi hermano es mayor que yo, or, he's like a brother to me, can be translated as, él es como un hermano para mí. Knowing how to say brother in Spanish can be helpful if you have siblings or if you want to refer to a close friend or colleague as a brotherly figure. So next time you need to use the word brother in Spanish, remember to use hermano and adjust the sentence structure accordingly. Hey there, fellow language learners. Are you enjoying this video and finding it helpful? If so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss out on our latest language learning videos. Also check out description pages to check out some amazing books which will help you learn Spanish language.